Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Wave accounting software for your business. So first of all, it's a very easy tutorial for as a beginner. And before we start, as you can see, this is the website for Wave accounting software, and you can see that everything you need, like nothing you don't, like an invoice payment. I will tell you about all of this. So what is this, like why we use Wave software? So it is online accounting software that provides features including invoice, as you can see over here, billing, payment tracking, payroll management, finance management, credit card processing, and receipt scanning. And there are a lot of over here, as you can see. So Wave accounting is designed actually to help business streamline bookkeeping process. So you understand like why we use uh, you know Wave accounting software, because it offers a lot of range of like features including invoice, expenses, receipt scanning, all those stuff. So after that, we need to understand like Wave is like designed to be easy to use first of all, and it is available for free. And you can see over here, obviously there are some pricing which we will talk about at the end of this video. And although there are also paid paid option, but most of the features are very free. And it is also available on website, as you can see over here, and Android devices and even iOS. So let's get started. We have wasted a lot of time, and right now we are going to create our new account for this tutorial. So I'm just going to click on sign up for free, or you can just click on create your free account from over here. So you are going to log in with Google account or email, like individual email and password. So I'm just gonna do that for this email. So after putting your email and every single details in, you can just end up over here. And what you need to do, you need to enter your first name over here, and obviously your business name and what your business does, and obviously your business country, because we should remember that Wave accounting software is only USA and UK based software, otherwise it won't work anywhere else. So just remember that. So you just need to choose from UK or US, and write down your name of like your business and what your business does, and your name obviously. After that, it will take you, once you click on next, it will take you over here, and you can see that it will ask you like choose a starting point. You can do this later obviously, but right now you can just do that from over here. If you want to send professional invoices, manage your accounting, all those stuff, if you want to do that, just click on that and go ahead. After that, it will take you over here, and it will ask you like tell us how you currently do your books. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna tell the like Wave, like how are you managing your accounting. So select how you currently manage your account. So you just need to open these options, and you will find them over here. And second option is, do you work with a bookkeeper or accountant? Just need to describe that under below. And after that, do you run payroll? So you just need to tell Wave like what you have been doing. So Wave knew like what he's, or like what it's supposed to do in future. So you just need to put that over here, all those detail, and click on one last step. After that, this is the last step before we go towards the dashboard, and you can see that how long you have been running on your business. So obviously you just need to tell them like how long it would be, like under a year, 1 3 years, or 3+ years. So obviously it's very simple, right? What type of business do you have? Obviously you just need to mention that over here again. Do you have a business account? Yes or no, or no I don't. It's all on you, whatever you are going to put in. And the last option is, how do you usually pay your business expenses? So you just need to select the method right down below and click to continue accounting. After that, all these information put in, now Wave knows what it's supposed to do in future, right? So click on continue to accounting, and it will take you to the dashboard. So now as you can see, this is the dashboard of Wave accounting software, and on the left side we have so many options over here like launchpad, dashboard, sales, purchases, accounting, banking, payroll, reports, all those stuff which we were talking about, right? And reports and Wave advisors, tax filing. So on the like on the face, you can see that we have our cash flow, all those cash flow, inflow, outflow, net change. You will find that over here, like last 12 month and last 24 months. Obviously these are some insights which you can do, and this is where you are going to connect your account, obviously bank account, so you can do like multiple transactions, and they can just track you out like what you have been buying or selling, it's all on you. And if you scroll down from over here, you can see that we have more options like profit and loss, income and expense, or it will take care of you. Like you don't need to do everything by yourself, it will take care of you. And you can see that over here, like things you can do: add a customer, add a vendor, customize your invoices, invite a guest collaborator, and accept credit cards to get paid faster. And obviously all those stuff you can do over here. So just remember that it's very simple to understand. Like add a vendor, if you have a vendor you can just add them. Add a customer, if you have a customer, add them. Customize your invoices. All you can, like all these stuff are very simple to understand, and you can just do that from all these options, which we will talk about this later. After that, if you go up again and click on create new, you can see we have more options over here like transaction, estimate, invoice, recurring invoice, billing, customer, vendor, product or service. So obviously these are options which you can do, and there are more options, but these are the most uh, you know uh, options like which use usually, and they have given you a shortcut from over here. Just you don't need to go over there and just click on those triple or three buttons, and after that you will end up on that page. You just need to click over here and click on that. Like, if you want to create a bill, just click on bill. If you want to create your invoice, you can just create your invoice from over here. So these are some shortcuts over here, and all those insights are over here. And this is the dashboard, obviously. And at dashboard you can just find everything. You're supposed to find every single thing. So if you want to go in deep, obviously you have so many options on the left side, as I have told you. And after that you will end up seeing like this estimate. If you click on sales and click on estimates, you will create estimate from over here. It's very simple to understand like what is the estimate, and click on create an estimate and you will start doing that. After that we have invoice. You can see that invoice are very simple. You can just create your logo, or on the top left corner you can just add your customer, all those stuff over here, your name, your company name, and all those stuff. You can just add your items, quantity, price, amount, all those things which you can add in your invoice. In my opinion, it's one of the best way to create your invoice, and very easy template, so in my opinion. And after that you have your recurring invoice, which is very similar to invoice, obviously. And after that we have checkout. So what is checkout? Accept payments directly from your website, no coding required. So what it does, like if you connect your website from your Wave accounting software, you will collect you know uh, the payment directly into your account, in your Wave account. So you can see like Visa, Mastercard and Discover, 2.9% they will charge per transaction, and American Express they will charge 3.4 plus 30 cents per transaction. So you can just turn on from like payment over here, from over here. And if you click on this turn on payments, you can just go on the second option, which you can see payments, and you will end up over here. Click on turn on payments, same all those stuff, and you can just allow all those payments coming into your Wave account. After that we have customer statement. If you want to like remind your customer about any like outstanding invoices, or send details about account activity, as you can see, create a statement by selecting a customer and statement type from the from above. So you can just create your form over here, and you can just send that to your customer form over here. And if you want customers, like more customers to add to your Wave account, just go ahead and click on customers, and you can just add their company, contact name, account number, website, all those stuff which you can do. And you can just add multiple contact numbers and phone, etc. After that you have product and service. So this is where you need to understand like what is product and service in Wave form. So whatever you are going to sell from Wave account, obviously you can do that from Wave. You can just add those detail over here and save that, and all those payment will go to your Wave account, right, which we have talked about over here in payments. So you can just sell product and services also. After that we have purchases. If you go purchases, you have your bill. It's very similar to invoice. Just click on create bill and create your bill for your company and your services, right? After that we have vendors. We can add vendors. If you have vendors, you can just add it from over here, or you can just import it from different platforms. And after that, the last one for this tutorial is products and services. So what is products and services? Like we have already seen in sales, but why again? So these are purchases, like what we have been buying. So all those details will end up over here because we were buying some things, right? So after that we have last thing which we need to understand, like what is the pricing of wave accounting software, which we talked about. Like we will talk about this later, right? And if you go over here in the pricing, you can see that we have our pricing: invoicing, accounting, banking, payments, payroll, advisors. You can see all those information over here. $0 100% free, accounting is 100% free, banking is 100% free, payments, as we have told you, like how much they will charge, and payroll, tax service rates cost around $40, and self-service rates cost around $20, and advisors around $150, and accounting and payroll coaching $380. So these are some pricing, sorry, these are some pricing which you can do, and what it does, like advisors, what advisors does, and payroll would do. So you can just find that over here. So this is what, like how to use wave accounting software. I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.